How to get Coinbase stock. For anybody who is a new investor or maybe planning to test your skills and start in stock market trading, you probably are already aware that share trading has historically been a reliable area to get in should you be in it for the long term. Just like any kind of trading, there are service fees as well as available options for the trader. This is an article which will talk about the trading of shares on your own behalf while using phone advisory share dealing, as well as some of the fees to be familiar with. Advisory share dealing commonly involves the investor creating an account using the financial institution or perhaps stockbroker. The investor wishes to be actively engaged. Many stockbroker firms will most likely make use of two types of this specific advisory share trading, one which is frequently known as advisory managed, along with the other advisory dealing. Please note that at various banks as well as brokerage firms these may be termed something different, thus it is best to find out. Nevertheless, they will essentially have a similar meaning. You should also know that advisory share trading might be more expensive in contrast to the particular execution-only solutions. Commonly, the actual advisory managed by phone is actually when the actual investor would like to be in control as well as active in their dealings. They make their particular selections and also take on their own risks regarding their stock portfolio. They normally are allocated an advisor who will examine with them their particular tips based upon their portfolio as well as investment objectives. The advisory dealing by phone is similar to the managed, in which the investor will get the advice from their designated advisor. However, the advisor may act on the investor's behalf, selling and buying shares. A person must be aware that there is a commission fee that will be incurred by the stockbroker, according to the type of dealing you are undertaking. It is far better fully understand the expense involved prior. The share dealing brokerage firm also can include several additional fees that you should review. These can be costs such as administrative fees, past due accounts, and early withdrawal fees. You have to furthermore make certain you comprehend all taxes as well as levies which can be added onto the share trading costs in advance. Usually the stock brokerage company will include this within your share deal expenses. Usually it is a 0.5% stamp duty tax which is assessed to the value of purchase.